A year or so ago, I came across the Plutus card. You may have seen the video that I did at the time. Now, since that video, I've been using the card as my go-to rewards card. Why? Because of all the crypto debit cards out there, Plutus is still the very best one, in my opinion. Now, many of you will know that there have been several changes since Plutus was first launched, which I'll get to later in the video. But for those of you who are not familiar with Plutus, here's a quick overview. Now, as they say themselves, Plutus is like American Express 3.0, but with a twist. It's a bank-like app that offers some seriously unbeatable rewards. When you use Plutus, you can spend your regular fiat money and get back between 3% to a whopping 8% of the purchase value in Pluton, or Plu, their native digital currency. But that's not all. Plutus has fantastic perks where you can get up to £10 back in Pluton when you shop at over 35 brands such as Netflix, Spotify, PlayStation, Xbox and Apple, to name just a few. Now, to make things even more awesome, Plutus gives you an all-in-one bank-like app where you can easily keep track of your rewards, Plutus perks, Visa debit card, current account with IBAN and sort code, and even something called PlutusSwap, which is a decentralized exchange. It's like having a full-fledged financial hub right in your pocket. Here's a quick summary of what Plutus has to offer. You can enjoy cashback rewards ranging from 3% to 8% on your everyday purchases. It's like getting paid to shop. They've got this incredible perks program with premium consumer brands. It's like getting exclusive discounts and bonuses just for being a Plutus user. You can connect your personal wallet to Plutus and have full control of your private keys, your money, your rules. You can swap your rewards for regular money without revealing your private keys. It's all about privacy and flexibility. Now let's talk about Pluton, or Plu. Plu is the native digital currency and it's super versatile. With Plu, you can stack Plu to increase your reward rates from 3% all the way up to a fantastic 8%. Get more perks by stacking Plu. Who doesn't love extra benefits? Swap your Plu rewards into regular money and spend it using the Plutus card. It's like turning your rewards into real cash. Now, in the future, you'll also be able to stack Plu and receive utility-based NFTs. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of NFTs, but it's still pretty futuristic and moving with the times. Oh, and they've also got this really cool thing called reward levels, which are like achievement levels for users. The higher your reward level, the more benefits you get, including better reward rates and more perks. There are currently 4 reward levels. Now, to unlock a reward level, all you have to do is hold or stack a certain amount of Plu in your non-custodial wallet and connect it to the app. You can earn Plu or buy it from third-party exchanges, so it's pretty accessible. Now, in terms of tokenomics, there are only 20 million Plu tokens in existence. Over 75% of them are reserved for rewards, ensuring that users like you and me get a piece of the pie. The rest is carefully allocated for circulation, company growth and development. And here's the exciting part. Plutus has big plans for the next year. They're rolling out more bank-like features, new reward levels, PlutusSwap, metal cards, a brand refresh, and even a US launch. So you guys in the US, you'll soon have a Plutus card. Now, the product's vision revolves around banking, rewards and non-custodial swaps, making it a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Now, I'm seriously impressed with Plutus and I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. It's like getting the future of finance right in the palm of your hand. So that's a quick overview of Plutus. Now let's talk about some of those recent changes. So the first big announcement was the change to the card issuer. Plutus underwent a transition in its card provider from Solaris to Modulr. Now, for customers who'd signed up with Plutus before June the 12th, 2023, they received cards from Solaris and they were referred to as Solaris cards, while new cards issued after that date were issued by Modulr and they're called Modulr cards. Now, until August 15, 2023, customers could continue to use their physical Solaris cards. Replacement orders for Solaris cards were disabled in July and instead customers received virtual Modulr cards. Now, I'm currently using a virtual Modulr card. I've not received a physical card as yet. I use this in combination with the Curve app, so I've got no problems using that at all. The new Modulr cards do offer newer benefits like higher limits, a unified account and card balance, and compatibility with Google, Apple Pay and Samsung Pay, as well as direct debits. PlutusSwap is a new official name for the peer-to-peer crypto fiat swapping feature within the Plutus app. This rename aligns Plutus with the app's long-term direction to provide non-custodial features and aim to appeal to a broader mass market audience. Now for customers who are in the EEA, PlutusSwap is temporarily disabled as Plutus focuses on optimizing its performance and incorporating new features that will hopefully enhance the user experience. Now Plutus want to ensure that when PlutusSwap does return, it does so with enhanced liquidity, a seamless user interface, robust infrastructure and higher limits. PlutusSwap will be reintroduced in Q4 for EEA customers, which is a revised timeline from the previously forecasted Q3 relaunch. Now, as for customers in the UK, the return of PlutusSwap is contingent on obtaining a license from the FCA. Now, many of you obviously use the old Solaris physical card in conjunction with Curve. The great news is you can still use the Modulr virtual card in conjunction with Curve. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then click the link above. Also, Curve is available as a perk within Plutus, meaning you can get £10 rebate on your subscription to Curve, as well as receiving 1% cashback in Curve points and being able to take advantage of the Go Back in Time feature and also use the card with Apple Pay, Google Pay and Samsung Pay. Now to sign up for either the Plutus or Curve cards, you can do so by clicking the links down below. Finally, let's talk about Pluton rewards. Now, depending on your rewards level, you can earn up to 8% in crypto rewards on every purchase you make using your Plutus card. Your rewards level is determined by how much Plu you stack in your Plutus account. There are currently 4 reward levels: Hero, Legend, Veteran and Gold. You can also receive cashback from over 30 high street brands and digital subscriptions. Now, dependent upon your reward level, you can earn more perks. Now, if you don't want to stack your Pluton, you can also receive up to 3 cashback perks by simply paying for a monthly subscription. Now, I will leave a link down below to the Plutus website and the specific pages where you can read all about those rewards and the perks. Now, one other thing I do want to mention is the difficulty adjustment. The difficulty adjustment is a gradual increase of the Plu requirements needed to unlock the different reward levels. Now, this update ensures the long-term sustainability of Plu rewards. Over the next 2 years, the amount of Plu required per reward level will gradually increase. Now, if you want to get yourself a Plutus card, then you can do so by clicking on the link down below. This is a referral link, which means I will receive a commission if you sign up. But you will also receive $15 in Plu for signing up, which is more than you'll get by using most other referral codes by other YouTubers and influencers. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I think Plutus is still the best reward card on the market at the moment. It offers so many great features and perks that it's worth making this your everyday card for spending. Now, just to be clear, this is not a credit card, it's a prepaid debit card, so you do need to top it up from your bank account before spending on it. But if you use it in conjunction with Curve and you forget to top it up, it's so easy to go back in time with any payments that you didn't make directly on the Plutus card. Now, if you've got any questions or comments about the Plutus card, you can join the Plutus Discord server. I'll leave a link down below. If you've got any other comments or questions about Curve or anything else, crypto or personal finance related, then you can come and join my Discord server using the link down below. To see more about Plutus and how it works alongside Curve, you can watch the video that's on the screen here right now. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, take care of yourselves and have a great day.